Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we're going to show you how to view your Royal Bank account daily transaction limits in RBC app. If you don't have a Royal Bank account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put affiliate links for similar bank accounts for you to sign up in case if you're interested. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Now, sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you will see your accounts. Tap on Checking. On this screen, scroll down a little. Then you will see an option for Daily Transaction Limits. Tap on Daily Transaction Limits. And here you will see your account's daily transaction limit. That's how you view your Royal Bank account daily transaction limits in RBC app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.